Hello everybody, I got a new toolbox here. It's a Husky Technician case. Sorry about that. But anyway, it's a Husky Technician case and I wanted to do a little review on it here. As you can see, it's made by Husky and it's distributed by the Home Depot. I think I gave around 30 some or close to 40 bucks. I don't remember for sure. But it's got a carrying handle. Has two latches here like that. And it's got a spot where you can hook a shoulder strap and carry it. I'm always working on stuff where I'm into maintenance, plus I do home repair and that on the side. But as you open it up, and you got these hair spots where you can put pliers and screwdrivers. And there's some down here on the bottom of the lid where you can put them. The dividers in these come out if you wanted to remove them. Those ones come out. Or you can take these here ones out too. And it's got a little removable case here to put screws or whatever in. It has 4 compartments and it would hold quite a bit of little stuff in it. And underneath that is another area where you can put stuff, and these hair dividers come out also. And that just sets back in there. Overall, it looks to be a pretty good case. Pretty rugged, solid. I'll find out more as I use it here because, like I said before in my one video, I'm not easy on anything I own really. I'm always working on stuff, always throwing stuff around. And I think this is going to be a pretty good case for the price I paid for it. So, from the looks of it and everything, it seems to be pretty solid. I highly recommend them. I'll do another video maybe later on down the road on it, but you can pick these up at Home Depot. So that's about it on this here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and everything. I'll have more videos coming up probably during the week here. So check back and keep watching my stuff and have a great week, everybody. Bye.